Good morning, CDT day 87. I am still in my tent and it is 9:40 a.m. But when I tried to get up at 6, my body was not feeling it. I think it was just too much work yesterday. So I just need a little bit of extra rest. I'm feeling a lot better now after just a couple hours of laying down some more. So I had a couple Reese's tacos and I'm gonna be packing up camp here in a minute and then heading out. So probably around quarter after 10, I'll be leaving here. 16.6 miles to the furthest I can go along the road before it comes off the road and turns back into trail to head up towards Wyoming. So I'm probably going to go there. If not, maybe a couple miles short, wherever a hitch will pick me up. And then, I'll pick back up tomorrow wherever that pickup is. So, but for now, maximum 16.6 miles, and it's 1,200 feet of climbing. So, basically, incredibly flat and rolling today. So, whew, that's hard to find in Colorado. So, I'm pretty excited that I'll be able to go down for the first 6 miles, and then 10 miles will bring me up 1,000. So, that's only 100 feet per mile. Really doable, easy to do. So since it's all road walking, I'm going to be throwing in my headphones, listening to music and or stand-up comedy to keep me going and distracted from my feet. Because when you walk on roads like hard pavement, it really does a number on your feet. So I'll be doing that and just trying to crush it as quickly as possible. Unfortunately, since I'm waking up this late, I probably won't get into town until like 4:30 to 5:30, something like that. So I'm not really taking full advantage of the day, but it's also only been 3 days since I've been in Grand Lake. So, shower, a little bit of laundry, some dinner, a quick resupply, and find a place to stay for the night. And that ought to do it. And I can do all that in the evening. Make some calls, some YouTube video uploads, downloads, so all that can go overnight while my stuff is charging. And should be all set to continue up to the border of Wyoming and through to Rawlins. I'm going to be skipping the first town in Wyoming of encampment because it's a hitch and I don't think I need to go there. So I'm going to go straight to Rawlins, which will be about 140 miles. So I'm expecting to do it in like 6 days, something like that. But we'll deal with that later. For now, I'm going to pack this stuff up and get ready for a long road walk. I think I'm getting a little bit of preparation for Wyoming because of water shortages. So it all started way back yesterday when there was a 12-mile carry without water. I guess that was 2 days ago into yesterday morning. Then the next source is about 8 miles until the next carry. And then from there, gosh, it was probably another 8 to 10 until where I got last night. So apparently this section as well, Guthook doesn't have any information on water. So it says that it's a 30-mile carry, but that's not right because there's some water here and there. But people have had to supplement with comments on other waypoints to let us know where they are. But either way, I just got this stream right here, which is a godsend. And I'm told that you have to get water here because any water sources from here to the end, like 16 to 20 miles, you're going to have water, but it's all going to be like cow ponds and stuff, which harkens back to New Mexico. So I'd much rather get water from this stream, even though I'm filtering. Yes, I am filtering. So it doesn't really matter, but it's still nicer to have a cleaner base like this. So now I'm only about a mile and a half in for the day. I will filter this water, fill up my 1.5 liter, and should be good to go until it's time to hitch into town. Alright, I'm off the ATV track and onto paved road now. So, leaving that area. Also means I'm leaving Arapahoe National Forest. So, I'm going to walk this Route 14 until it intersects with Highway 40. And then from there, I think I'll keep going to the next parking lot and hitch from there. Somewhere in that region. We'll see. Just taking a break near Colorado Creek, watching the birds try to get their breakfast or lunch now. It's 1 p.m. I'm 8.5 miles in, and I have about 8 miles to go until I can start hitching in. So I'm expecting to get there around 3 and then hitch into town. If it takes me a half hour to an hour or something like that, maybe I'll get there around 4. That's not too bad. It's the final countdown. 5, 4, 2. Wait, what? What about 3? Must have gotten blown over or something. 2, 1, and 0. Made it to the intersection of 40 and 14. Unfortunately, that's not what I was looking for a final stopping point. I was just counting down Highway 14. I still have about 2 miles to go up 40 before it turns into trail again, and I'm going to try to hitch from there. That way tomorrow, I don't have to do any road walking. Alright, after about 5, maybe 10 minutes, I got a hitch from a nice guy named Dave, who is a logger in the area. So he just dropped me off at the Walmart in town. I'm just learning now that Steamboat Springs is big, and it is very spread out. So I have to figure out how to get around. Apparently there's a free bus, but I'm going to do my resupply here, get some Taco Bell, and figure out what to do next. Alright, now it's time for the most important part, food. Carne asada. How about a margarita? And how about Jesus Jake? Jesus Jake!
He has returned.
Jesus has returned. He is cometh back to save me. The man has done 45s just to see me. Oh, hell yeah.
And to make it to Canada before winter. But yeah.
No, to see me. Wow, what a nice creek. Wow, what a nice sidewalk. Wow, what a nice friend.
Come on now.
Come on now. He doesn't approve of what I'm saying or doing. We are walking about 1.5 miles to the motel that hopefully has enough space for us tonight. We didn't check. But it's the cheapest, so hopefully. And as I mentioned before, this town is just really spread out. So it's either the free bus you gotta wait 20 minutes for, or you walk 1 mile, or you hitch. None of it's really good. But we went with walking. Here we are.
Yo.
So we checked around some hotels, and they're all full, no vacancy. So we're gonna try to stealth camp instead. For now, we can check out some bars, hanging out with Jeezus and Snowcat, and then we'll probably stealth camp, and tomorrow morning figure everything out.
Airlines, because they're like way at the top. You know.
How many machines do you have? Snow machines.
Yeah, just a set of hiker trash, trying to find some stealth camping for the night. And looking for the trashiest place possible. How about right near the rodeo grounds? Alright, so it is now the next day, but I forgot to end the video from last night. So here's your ending. So today was a 16.5 mile day, pretty much all road walking and about 1,200 feet of elevation gain. So pretty cruisy and pretty quick walking. So I got into town and found Snowcat and Jeezus Jake, who I was very surprised to catch up with. And then we all got some drinks at the bar and decided to stealth camp in a dugout in a baseball field. And then it worked out very well. So that is the end of today, and check out some of the photos from the hike if I have any, and then see you guys tomorrow.